A is for Alligator with Hopi. Wake up, Hopi! It is a bright and sunny morning. Today is a special day because we are going on an adventure to find everything that starts with the letter A. Hopi puts on her favorite sneakers and jumps with joy. Who is that peeking out from behind the big green bush? It is a Reese. A Reese is a very friendly alligator with a long, bumpy tail and a very big snout. A Reese loves the letter A just as much as Hopi does. Hello, a Reese, Hopi shouts. She gives the big alligator a gentle pat on his nose. A Reese wiggles his tail and lets out a happy huff. They are ready to explore the garden together to see what they can find. Look what Hopi found. High up in the tree, there is a big, shiny red apple. It looks so crunchy and sweet. Hopi reaches up as high as she can to point at it. A is for apple. She cheers. A Reese wants to show Hopi something special too. He walks over to a small wooden table and puts on a bright yellow apron. A Reese looks very silly and very cute. A is for apron. A Reese seems to say with a toothy grin. Suddenly, a loud zoom comes from the sky. Hopi looks up and sees a silver airplane flying through the fluffy white clouds. It moves so fast, leaving a long white line behind it in the blue. A Reese leads Hopi down to the edge of the sparkling blue pond. He points his claw toward a heavy, metal anchor sitting in the sand. It helps the little boat stay right where they are. A is for anchor. All this exploring has made our friends very hungry. Hopi and a Reese sit down on a soft picnic blanket. They share a basket full of sweet, orange apricots. They are soft and delicious. A is for apricots. The sun is starting to set, turning the sky into a beautiful orange and purple. Hopi lets out a big yawn. It has been such an amazing day discovering the letter A with her best alligator friend. A Reese gives Hopi a little wave with his tail as she heads home. Goodbye, a Reese. See you soon for our next adventure. Hopi calls out. A Reese settles down for a nap, dreaming of all the A words they found. A is for Alligator with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.